Lost call logs on your Samsung? Stop using the phone and disconnect from networks. This guide covers 5 ways to recover deleted call history, starting with common causes of loss. Part 1. Common causes for the loss of call logs on Samsung. Device loss or theft. Accidental factory reset. Deleted data. User error, for example, deleted call logs. Virus or malicious software. Software updates or failures. Faulty app installations. Part 2. Is it possible to recover deleted call history on Samsung? Restore from local backup, Samsung Cloud, or Google Drive. Contact your carrier for help. Use data recovery software to scan and recover deleted logs. Part 3. How to see deleted calls on Samsung from SmartSwitch. Open SmartSwitch on your computer and connect your Samsung phone. Select Restore and choose the backup. Pick Call and Contacts and click Restore. Wait for the sync and tap OK. Part 4. How to retrieve deleted call log on Samsung from Samsung Cloud. Open Settings on your Samsung device. Go to Samsung account and select Restore. Find call logs, select it, and tap Restore Now. Part 5. How to retrieve call history on Samsung from Google Drive. Go to Settings System Reset on your Samsung. Choose Erase All Data and set up your phone. Sign into your Google account and restore your backup, including call logs. Part 6. How to find deleted calls on Samsung by contacting service provider. Log into your MyAT&T account or create one. Go to My Wireless, My Usage, Talk, Data, Text, and Talk logs. Select the phone number to view and download the call logs. Part 7. How to recover deleted call history on Samsung without backup expert. Losing call history on your Samsung can be frustrating, but Mobican Doctor for Android Win Mac offers a simple solution. It allows you to safely recover deleted calls with just a few clicks. Step 1 link. Once you've downloaded and installed the program on your computer, it will automatically identify the connected Samsung phone. For successful deleted call log recovery, follow the hints on the screen to ensure your phone is rooted and the USB debugging is enabled. Step 2. Choose. You'll be prompted to select the file types for recovery, in this case, call logs. Click Next, and the tool will initiate a scan on your phone to retrieve deleted call history. Step 3. Recover. Preview the scanned call records and opt for the ones you wish to retrieve. Finally, click the Recover button and designate a location to save the call logs there.